Now we want to factor 36a squared minus a minus 1 squared by using our difference of squares. So again, let's set up our answer with two different sets of brackets. We're going to have our first set and then our second set. Our first term of these brackets is going to be the square root of our first term in our question. Well, the square root of 36a squared is 6a. So we'll write that at the beginning of our brackets. And next we want to add one bracket and subtract the second. Our second term of these brackets is going to be the square root of our second term in our question. So a minus 1 squared, square rooted, is a minus 1. Now we have 6a plus a minus 1 multiplied by 6a minus a minus 1. But we're going to have to distribute this negative to inside these brackets. So we're going to have 6a plus a minus 1 multiplied by 6a minus a plus 1. Grouping together our like terms in both sets of brackets, we have 7a minus 1 multiplied by 5a plus 1. So this is our final answer, but let's double check by using our distribution laws. We're going to multiply this 7a by our second bracket and this negative 1 by our second bracket. 7a times 5a is 35a squared, and 7a times positive 1 is plus 7a. And negative 1 times 5a is negative 5a, and negative 1 times positive 1 gives us negative 1. Now grouping together our like terms, we have 35a squared plus 2a minus 1. But again, we can see that this does not match our original question. But that's because we have to use our distribution laws in our original question as well. So we're going to get 36a squared minus a minus 1 multiplied by a minus 1. Well, when we factor this out, we get 36a squared minus a squared minus 2a plus 1. And then we want to distribute this negative to everything inside the bracket. So we get 36a squared minus a squared plus 2a minus 1. Grouping together our like terms, we get 35a squared plus 2a minus 1. And this matches our final answer of this. So therefore our brackets of 7a minus 1 multiplied by 5a plus 1 was correct as our final answer.